Yo, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be bringing you a video about how to use the Fib Retracement Tool. And I got a couple of questions about this and how to use it. And a lot of people thought it was an indicator. The Fib Retracement Tool is not an indicator, right? It's a built-in tool in Tradingview, right? Right up here, we have the Fib Retracement Tool. And I'm just going to go to the 1 minute to kind of show you how it works and how I use it. So first things first, right? Let me go into the settings. So draw out a random fib for a second, just so you can go into the settings, because when you first load it in, there's going to be a ton of different settings on the Fibonacci Retracement Tool. The only two ones that I use are the 0.618, which I use as this greenish color, and then the 0.65, which I made this gold color. That's it, okay? I don't use the Fibonacci Retracement Tool for anything other than those two inputs. So once you have those two inputs, you're gonna press OK, and this is all you need, right? Now the Fib Retracement Tool is another confirmation. Again, you don't want to base your trades around this Fib Retracement Tool, but it is very accurate. So how you use it is go down to a swing low, for example, right here, right? We're at this low level, and you can use EzAlgo too to actually help you draw out the fib, right? It actually marks the low and high levels for you. So if I come down here to the low level, we have this swing low, and we're gonna drag it to this high right around here, okay? And we see that the golden pocket is around this 20,100 level, and now this is actually acting as current support, right? So you can see how well price respects these levels. If I draw it from the top, right, this top right here, to this low, look what happens. That was acting as resistance. So you can kind of use these in confluence with EzAlgo, the support and resistance levels, as well as the buy sell signals, to see some great results. Now this is on the 1 minute, right? If I go back a little bit more and show you guys how it would look. So I'm gonna go on a slightly higher time frame, and as you can see, the call from the premium Discord yesterday was on point, right? It came right up to this golden pocket and rejected like immediately from that golden pocket. So I'm gonna get rid of this for a second. So I'm getting rid of those fibs just so I can show you guys what it looks like on a higher time frame. Now when you're on a higher time frame, the fib levels are a lot more respected, and price usually comes back to them, right? I'd say probably around 6 or 7 out of 10 times you use the fib retracement, price is going to react around those levels. So if I grab the fib from the bottom right here, the bottom of this dump, and of course that's not the fib, the bottom of this dump right here to the top, that came to around 19K, right? The 19K area, which I was looking at for a long time for price to finally come back to, and it did, right? And we found some support here, and price came up. Now I can do the same thing from the top, right? I drag the fib from the top right here, this local top, down to this bottom right here, and what do we have? Well, we have the 20,740 level around, and look what happened to price, right? Price literally came right up to this golden level, right up to it, and I mean pretty much rejected almost instantly, maybe a few dollars higher, and dumped down, right? And dumped down a total of up to around 5% at the peak. Right now it's still down almost 3%, and you can do this on any time frame with any asset, right? I mean, I can do it right here, drag the fib from this bottom to this top, and look what happens. We find support right at the golden fib. So the golden fib, or the Fibonacci levels that I use, they act as support and resistance, right? Now there's a certain mathematical equation behind them. I think it's like it takes 2 points and does some sort of division using some Fibonacci numbers. I don't know the exact math and science behind it, but what I do know about it is that it involves 2 points, and it acts as a support or resistance. So when you use a Fibonacci retracement with these two levels and you see price coming down to these levels, just keep in mind that there will usually be some buyers or sellers around these areas. So probably something you shouldn't base your entire trade around. Use it as kind of an extra confirmation. But I've been using the fib, right, for the longest time, and I mean, look how well respected these levels are. I was talking about this 19K area. It came down, came back up to this golden pocket, and then it came back down to this golden pocket, from this low to this high. So you can just play around with it. And I mean, if I grab another fib, maybe from here to here, right? I mean, price goes right back up to these levels and then rejects. So play around with it a little bit, find out what works for you. Like I said, my settings are as follows. I have two inputs. I have the 618 and then the 0.65. That's all you really need. Now the Fibonacci is a little bit more technical compared to using EzAlgo by itself, right? You do need some technical skills and practice drawing these from a swing low to a swing high or vice versa. But just play around with it. You'll get the hang of it. Watch some more YouTube videos if you need to. And having this skill to be able to draw this and identify those golden pocket levels will definitely help out your trading, right? Will definitely help out your trading, especially like I said, when you use it in confluence, with support and resistance levels, EzAlgo. It makes finding those entries a lot easier and allows you to snipe those entries, right? Leave a like if this helped you out. Let me know how it goes. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section below. Hit the first link in the description to get yourself EzAlgo, which is the best buy sell algorithm on Tradingview. Works across any asset on any time frame. Subscribe to the channel for more trading content. That's it for me. I'll catch you guys next video.